Okay, find my missing tool. So it's the adapter that goes in there for lopping. It's also what I use for honing. So you got to support that side to hone this side. You got to support this side over here to this side. So this one over here, I made my own adapter here. This one over here, I just use store-bought one. Don't have to make it. Okay. Yeah, everybody's favorite thing to do: measure. You're going to measure main bearings for the motor and the main shaft bearing for the tranny. Figure out what size those two holes need to be. Standard bearings. Or whatever it takes to make it right. Not always standard. Okay, so first thing I do is do some measurements and see what we got to work with here. That's always the fun part. The main shaft appears to be on 0. So it's on size 1 inch. What's this one going to be? 91 and change, it looks like. So 91 and between 1 and 2, so we'll call it 2 tenths. Two 1.000. I think this is 0 all the way across, wasn't it? Could be a 9. Appears to line up with a 9 way back there on the veneer scale. So 999. 9. 9999. Bunch of all 9s. Forget that. 001. 001. That'd be the clearance. Rollers. Transmission one. Standard. $156 and 1. These are way undersized. 156 to 1. One and a half. How's that? I'm gonna call it 1. 156 1. Check another one. Might be a 2. About 1.5 to 2. We'll use 1. We'll make 1 1 and 1 2. How's that? It averages out. Okay. That'd be you. We'll use different ones. These ones are open yet. I'll use one that's open. Okay. Pinion bearing. These are a lot bigger. Four. It's supposed to be 87.5 to 87.4. Which is better than the other bearing because it's 3. So these are the 1/10 under. The rod bearings are 2/10 under. Same size of roller. Yeah, closer to 3 than 4, but four. Okay, we're gonna call these 4. Maybe 7.4. 7.4. You take all these numbers, you add them up, you get a number. So 0.9999, 0.001, 0.1874, 0.1874 equals 375 and 7/10. 375, 7/10 over. So plus 7s are our final number. Okay, the other one, 0.9912 plus 0.01. Oh, one digit off. 0.9912 plus 0.001 plus 0.156. 1 plus 0.156 and 2 equals 3045. 3045. Okay. Those are our 2 numbers that we need. So how are we going to get those now? We're going to get some bore gauges out. That's how you do it. Small bore gauge. That's when you do 13045. .304. So it's 304. On the veneer is 5. Yep. Set our 0. Not even close. It's way too small. I'm going to use this for last. Fancy tools. Got one right there with no shims. Okay, so these have pins and they have shims. Don't lose them. Shim, there's our pin. Another shim someplace. We're missing a shim. my shin. Out there. Never used to be missing any shins. We're missing our 20 or 40. I think we're missing our 40. This is the 20. Nope, this is 40. So down to my 20. It's missing. Hopefully I stole it and put in the other set, but it shouldn't have. No reason to do that. Parts are really easy to lose. Okay. Let's make sure we got 304.5. This has moved. What a shocker. Real 4.5. I don't like doing it, but you put the mic on the vise, it helps hold it. 3. I don't use the pinch clamp because that affects the number. .304.5. So you want to zero this out. You can make it 0, you put on the number you want. 304.5. Put on my 0 point. Something's bothering me already. We'll be back.